mga naglingkuranan.
So what's up guys, good afternoon. So here we are again. So we just continue on hauling this soil. We fill it up into the near the highway to landscape the drainage of the water, so that it will be the same level with the national highway. So we already haul this chariot, and it's 1 cubic I think. So I think we already haul for 8 trips, so almost 8 cubics of soil that we we fill it up into the drainage of the house. So here is my companion, always my companion, Sano Baning. So at your service. So this is what we do most of the days. So yeah, we will be updating to you guys the work that we always do most of the days of the week.
Always do.
So maybe next week we will be making another layout for the house, or the proposed restaurant that we want to build. So hopefully it will be successful, so that we can still begin and continue on building new business.
We will be successful because God will always at our side.
So at the back of the house is it's near to the seaside. So we always arrive here at Katarungan Albay, Bohol most of the time in the afternoon, because for many reasons that we have lots of things that we do in the morning, and yeah, we cannot arrive here at early in the morning. But maybe in the next 3 months for now, so Sano Baning will try to live in this place, temporarily, or he don't know if he will like to stay in this place for many months. So it's up to him. So yeah, he's the only one that can decide with that decision. So for now, we just vlog the things that we always accomplish within a day, as Sano Baning's progress quotes, that small progress is still progress.
Go forward.
Yeah, even a simple shoveling with the soil, so it affects, or it adds up to the
Slow
success.
progress still moves forward. That's why every day we have to do what is in our plan.
So that's it for today's video guys. So see you in the next video, and goodbye, ciao.